When it comes to being a content creator or YouTuber, you have to understand SEO. What the heck is SEO? Search engine optimization. You have to understand how to optimize your videos in order to get seen on purpose. And the quickest way for you to understand SEO is basically what are people searching and how do you solve that problem? And when it comes down to that, how do you give a solution and value to the person who's watching? That's it. That's as simple as it gets. So when you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to share your gifts, now a lot of women might come on here and be like, well, how the heck do I optimize a get ready with me? Or how do I do like a makeup tutorial that I just want to talk about me and my story? You can still do those beautiful videos that I absolutely love watching, but you have to be intentional with how you end up in search. The social media platforms have changed from just throwing up content out there and hoping that it sticks. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some people who do become lucky and they literally get something that goes so viral, they cultivate an entire community of millions of people. But if you're trying to be intentional instead of guessing and hoping and praying that it works, which 99% of the time it doesn't, you have to then understand SEO. Understanding SEO and what are people searching is a great way to create content. It's literally the limitless funnel that I'm constantly giving my clients and students that take in my program to work on. Because one of the biggest hesitations and objections to moving forward is that I feel like I'm going to run out of content ideas. No, you're not. It's literally impossible. I promise you. If you just understood who you're targeting and who that audience is that you want to attract, the get ready with me could be something like maybe it's for a working mom who feels extremely busy and feels like she just doesn't have the life that she wants and all she's doing is complaining. What kind of content would she want to watch? And having proof that actually she's the one searching for it. Go on Google, type in something that's a problem, and allow yourself to cultivate a content idea from that optimization. Again, I know this is a lot to intake, and some of y'all are like tuning me out because it's like, that ain't it. I just want to be the YouTuber. I just want to be the content creator. Like, I don't want to be the scientist. I totally understand what you mean because when I first heard it, I was like, what the heck is that? But it is necessary for you to get ranked. And it's the one thing I do create when it comes down to my program. So if you are ready to get started on your YouTube journey and you really want to tackle SEO in a way that's very easy and very simple, I promise you I will not stress you out, then feel free to go check out the training on my page to learn how I was able to attract 31,000 subscribers on my channel, millions of views, millions of people to watch my channel, and monetize it in 10 months, along with being an impact and inspiration to the world. Because I know that's what you want to do. So check out the training on my page, and I hope to see you there.